I am Rajiv Sharma in front of you. Now we discuss how is physics important in our daily life. That was the basically concept of the work done, concept of the anything throw, concept of the anything pull. In whole life that was basically depend upon physics. Sunlight, it is also the phenomena example of the physics. We are eating any something, that is the example of physics. Now we discuss how will be the introduction of physics take an important part in our daily life. Now, what is the physics? Physics is the taken by the Latin word, it means physius. Now it means the construction and organization of the natural phenomena. Or another word we can say that physics is taken by the Latin word physius, it means of construction and organization of the natural phenomena. Now, the sun is the great example of the natural phenomena, and it is the example of the transverse of light, electromagnetic wave, nuclear fusion, dual nature, wave nature and particle nature. Now we discuss to sun. Sun is the main source of the earth at the energy. Now it will be developed to the energy by the process of the nuclear fusion. What is the nuclear fusion? When two or more lighter elements to be combined in one heavier atom, that is known as the nuclear fusion. For example, when tritium and protium are react each other and it will be formed in new elements, helium. That is the basically process of the two or more lighter elements to combine it one heavier elements, that is the nuclear fusion. In the nuclear fusion, that system where have the carbon and nitrogen cycle is also functioning and the process is always continuous. But that was the basically nuclear physics. Now we study the sun is the main source of energy, that is also followed to the wave nature, particle nature. Now first we discuss to the wave nature and particle nature. The wave nature and particle nature, because sunlight is the electromagnetic. Now we say to the electromagnetic wave, this type of wave is developed in any medium, or presence of medium or also in absence of medium. That will be developed in vacuum and also developed in the medium. Therefore we can say to the sun is the developed in the form of vacuum and also developed of medium. We can say another word, that is the electromagnetic wave, because it will be followed to the process of electromagnetic and wave. Now we can be understood by an example. Let us consider a photosensitive plate. When the high intensity ray of light is strike at the surface, because it is followed to the Planck quantum theory, E is equal to h nu. Because the sun is the bundle of energy, we say that photon. If the two or more rays, that is known as the beam. If the bundle of rays is known as photon. Let us consider a photosensitive plate. When the high intensity ray of light is strike on the metallic plate, then the temperature of body is increased and the photoelectrons are collide to each other and it will be transferred from one point to another point. If the emission of electron at the body in the presence of sunlight, that is known as the photoelectron, and the process is known as the photoelectric effect or the photoelectric emission. Now we discuss the another important properties of light, that will be behave as the dual character. First, particle nature, because in the sunlight, when the body to be ejected electron, that is known as emitter. It is shown that the emission of electron from the photosensitive plate, that property is known as the particle nature, and it will be E is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Now discuss the wave nature of the particle, because the light is also behave as the electromagnetic wave or transverse wave, because it will be developed in the perpendicular direction of the medium, but it was generally explained by the 1927 the scientist de Broglie explained the wave nature and particle nature. What is the wave nature? When the disturbance go in the forward direction, because the sunlight to be come at the space and the different medium to like as water surface etc. We know that the disturbance go in forward direction, it is known as wave. If the body is particle nature and we have as the wave nature, then it will be confirmed or surely it will be follow to the property of wavelength. What is the wavelength? That was the distance between the two consecutive points or distance between the two crust and two top. That is known as the wavelength. It was represented by a diagram. That is the wavelength, that was the distance between two consecutive points or crust or distance between the two layers. Now the 1927 de Broglie explained by that relation lambda is equal to h by p. Now h is the Planck quantum constant or Planck constant, its value is 6.6 into 10 power minus 34. And p is denoted the momentum, because the sunlight is strike on the photosensitive plate, then it will be ejected electron, because the electrons are moved from one point to another point, that will be follow the property of the momentum. Now we discuss the particle nature and wave nature. The de Broglie will explain the relation lambda is equal to h by p. Now we discuss if the write the relation of velocity in the term of momentum p by m. Now lambda is equal to h by p, equation 1, and we can easily retain the form of emitted electrons in term of kinetic energy. We know that kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 half mv square. If in the figure every electrons are covered a distance from one point to another, and the potential is also developed. Now the potential difference is also developed. Now we write the relation of the kinetic energy in terms of electron volt. If the relation of the velocity, we know that v is equal to p by m. Now write the relation Ev is equal to 1 by t p, the value of velocity p square upon m square. Now Ev is equal to p square by 2m, because m is cancelled from m, and the relation is stabilized. P is equal to root 2m Ev. It is the equation 3. Now we observe the value of the wavelength in term of the Broglie relation. Lambda is equal to h by p. We put the value of momentum in that term. H, that was the Planck constant, 6.6 10 power minus 34, and the value of p 2m eV. M is equal to mass of electron 9.1 10 power minus 30, and E is equal to charge upon electron 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, and V is the potential. Now we discuss the V is the potential. It was the generally explained by in the our next classes as the level of C class BSc or engineering. That was the value of potential 54 volt. Now the 54 volt, then the particle is behave as a dual character by the experiment of division and Gerber. Now we discuss the potential in our next class, when we can identify the value of wavelength in this term. Lambda is equal to 12.27 angstrom upon root V. That is the value of the wavelength, and it is also behave as the particle nature and wave nature of the emitted photoelectron. Therefore, a system is generally of the introduction of physics of the natural phenomena. Now we discuss the types of physics or kinds of physics or branch of physics. It was generally kinds or types of the physics. First is thermodynamics. Now we discuss first thermodynamics. Second, optics. It is generally converted into two branches: ray optics, and second is wave optics. Now third is mechanics. Now fourth is nuclear physics, and fifth is electric and electron. That was the main five branch of the physics. Now we discussed the first topic, thermodynamics. What is the thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is the branch of physics which deal study to the transforming of the heat energy, and it is also work in generally three variables. Number one, pressure. Number two, volume. Number three, temperature. In our whole life, that was the basically depend upon the thermodynamics. When we wear any clothes, in the cotton clothes, or black shirt, or jacket, when we use the pitcher, when we use the refrigerator, when we use the bikes, that were all of the example of the thermodynamics. Sometimes the body to be lost the amount of heat energy, sometimes the body to be gain the amount of heat energy. That was the total function of the thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is the branch of physics, the transforming of heat energy. Now we discuss our first topic, thermodynamics. When we observe, we wear a black cloth, then we also feel very hot or very warm. Because the black body is good absorber of the heat, and it is also follow to the Stefan equation. E is equal to directly T power 4 and E is equal to sigma T power 4. That was the function of the black body radiation. Black body is a good absorber of the heat, and it will produce the great amount of the heat energy. Now we discuss the main topic of the thermodynamics. First, isothermal process. What is the isothermal process? In that process, when the temperature to be remain constant, that is known as the isothermal process. That was the basically funda of the isothermal process to like as take any rectangular body to like as metallic body, and it will be divided from two parts A and B. In between two parts have the dithermic wall. The dithermic wall that will be transfer the amount of heat energy from one point to another point, or another word we shall do, that will be the temperature constant. If the temperature is maximum at the point A or the part A, then the whole amount of the temperature transferred at the part B. Because in that point the temperature to be remain constant in the presence of dithermic wall, and the process is known as isothermal process. If the pressure is remain constant, then process is known as isobaric process. When the volume to be remain constant, then process is known as isocuric process. Therefore, the applications of thermodynamics in our daily life to like as the heat engine. Heat engine is an instrument to change the amount of chemical energy into form of the mechanical energy. Our heat engine that will be function in three main appliances. First, source, second, working substance, and third is sink. What is a source? When we use the diesel and petrol of the substance in our heat engine, that is behave as a source. It is behave as a source. For example, we can be easily understood. That was a source. Second, source we are always used to the diesel or petrol. Now the working substance as air plus water. And third main point of our heat engine is sink. When unusual things go outside from the body or released from the outside of body to light as the combustion, that is called the sink. But in another terms of the heat engine, that was the reversible heat engine, and that is the example of the refrigerator. The process is same way, but the process is reversible. Now first, in the reversible heat engine, sink, working substance, then afterwards source. When the current produced in the device of refrigerator, then the compressed chamber of the refrigerator to release the furon gas, or another word we say to the furon gas, and it will be transferred to the amount of furon gas in the rectangular chamber of the fridge, and afterward that result will become at the source. That process is just opposite of the simple heat engine. That is also called the reversible heat engine. Now we discuss the best important topic in thermodynamics in our whole life was basically dependent. Now the heat transferred in three methods: conduction, convection, and radiation. What is the conduction? When the amount of the heat transferred by the thermal property of substance or the solid state of the substance, that is what the heat transferred in the conduction. But the convection is that process where the heat transferred in the medium of liquid or fluids. But another, that was the radiation. Radiation is the process where the heat transfer in the gaseous state of the substance, like as the different gas molecules and etc. We can be easily understood the thermodynamics by a simple example. Let us consider when we take any cup of tea and we put on our stand, and after some time we observe that the temperature of the tea to be decreased rapidly, because that is also the phenomena of the thermodynamics, because it is follow the Newton's law of cooling. The surrounded medium is also affected of the temperature, and by when the time taken is increased, then the temperature of the body is decreased, because the surrounded medium is affected on the body from higher to lower, because it will be follow the process of the diffusion, because the teapot have the temperature is maximum and afterwards surrounded medium temperature is lower than the teapot, then it will be try to maintain the temperature and it will be lost the amount of energy, and it is also follow to the Newton's law of cooling. That was the concept of the thermodynamics. Now we discuss another important topic or another important branch of physics, optics. What is the optics? Optics is the branch of physics which deals study to the behavior of light and also study the applications of light. Now the behavior of light to like as light is transverse wave. Light is electromagnetic wave. Light is developed in the perpendicular direction of medium from the crust and top. But another branch of the physics of the optics, that is the wave optics. That was the different condition. In that term, the wave optics, we are also studied to the light is behave as the wave. Now we easily understood by an experiment. Let us consider a small hole or point when the ray of light is passes through and it will be deviated at different. In that point, when the intensity of light is high, that the constructive interference, when the intensity of light is weak, that was the destructive interference. The easier example of the interference of our life, that was a soap bubble. In the level of the class 10th, we are also studying the rainbow formation, yes, soap bubbles. We can be easily to look at, yes, see out about the 7 color, that was the dispersion. But in the case of the level or higher, in the 11th and 12th, that is the main property of the light, that is they split into the 7 color in soap bubble, that is also known as the interference. Because interference, that means a ray of light is entered from a small hole or point and is scattered in the different direction, to like as a tree. When we observe the stem of the tree, that is only one cylindrical body, but afterward going upward, then it will be converted in form of different types of branches, to like as. That is also example of the interference. When the peacock swing their wings, when we observe the 7 color, that is the example of the interference. That is the wave optics. In branch of physics, the light is also behave as the wave. Now the second topic of the wave optics, we are also study diffraction of the light. In many times when we observe the stairs, the light to be bent at the sharp point of stair, to like as zigzag structure. Same way. Or when we observe it, any lamp or any candle, any tube light, when we observe in the gap between the two fingers, when we observe the light is bending, or that way. Another example we can make easily understood. That was the shaving blade or razor blade. When two razor blades are closely packed and we observe that the bending of light at the sharp point, that is known as the diffraction. And the another important topic of the wave optics is polarization. What is the polarization? When the light have the intensity is high, that is known as the polarized light and it is denoted by dot. That was polarized light. If unpolarized light, that is represented by double. Now we easily understand when we wear the sunglasses in the summer session, when we feel like very good or cool, because the sunglasses are the black sheeted and it will be covered by the polarized film. The film of polarized is also behave as a sandwich structure. Now we can be easily understood that was the combination of two layers and have between quinine or nitrocellulose. We can be easily understood. When the high intensity of ray of light, that was the polarized light, is enter our sunglasses, but there have the quinine or nitrocellulose film, then the intensity of light to be entered, but it will be go outside another part of our eyes, then it will be converted into double arrow or unpolarized. That is the phenomenon of the polarization. The polarization of the light, that was the intensity is high, that was polarized, and intensity of light is low, that was unpolarized. and it will be easily identified with help of the sunglasses with the nitrocellulose or pointing film. That was the concept of the wave optics. Now the ray optics we are also studied in the previous class of 10th are reflection, refraction, rainbow formation, dispersion of light, where basically the funda of the image formation with help of particles and rays, that is also known as the ray optics. Okay students, now we meet to our another video, another day. Until then, goodbye.